Sending emails at the right time can make all the difference, and with iOS 26, your iPhone lets you schedule emails to go out later, adjust the delivery time, or even cancel them if plans change. Here's how it works. Open the Mail app and start writing a new email as usual. Once your message is ready, press and hold the send arrow instead of tapping it. A menu will appear with options like Send Now, preset times such as tonight, tomorrow morning, or Send Later. Tap Send Later. Then choose your preferred date and time. Tap Done, and your email will be scheduled. To check your scheduled messages, go back to your mailboxes and look for the Send Later folder. If you can't find it, then it means you need to add it, so tap on Edit at the top and make sure Send Later is checked. Then tap Done. Now, you'll see all the emails waiting to be delivered. Tap 1 to adjust the time or delete it if you've changed your mind. This feature is especially useful if you want to write emails late at night, but send them during business hours, schedule birthday or holiday greetings in advance, or time-sensitive reminders that land in someone's inbox exactly when needed. If this video helped you master scheduling in mail, please give it a like, or watch another video to learn more ways to get the most out of your iPhone.